Today we're going to learn how to use the Great Real Estate plugin. So I want to add a new listing to my real estate website. As you can see, I've got 3 featured listings in my sidebar, and I want to add a 4th. So what you need to do is make sure that you have Great Real Estate plugin loaded, as well as all of these plugins over here. And it'll give you the list of what you need to load. So you just go into the plugin manager to load those. I'm not going to go over that here. I actually have another video on how to load plugins. So if you're not sure on what to do there, just watch that video on our website. Okay, so let's get started. So go into Great Real Estate. In your dashboard, it'll just say Real Estate. Go to Listings. You can see the 3 listings that I have, and I'm going to add a new listing. So we'll just call it Test for now. We'll call that Test here. Once you load all of the other plugins and put you need to put your Yelp API in, and it'll give you, this is the Yelp Schools and Yelp widget, and I can show you how all these work. And anyway, so what you need to do is give it in the attributes panel here. We need to attach it to my current listings, and also just uncheck this box here. It'll mess up your navigation bar. Click Publish, and what you should have now is this is the Great Real Estate area that you fill in here. I'm not going to fill it all in now, but if I want to have this show up in my sidebar, so I'm going to click that, and I'll just put a few things in here. Make it 250,000. The list date is today, and you can fill all the rest of it in here. Maybe it's got a pool. All right, so now we need to create a gallery. So I need to get images in for this property. So we're going to call this new gallery Test. And Test, let's select Test. And we need to actually add gallery images. Oop, missed that one. Okay, so let's go to the Upload Images. Let's just pick out a couple. I'm only going to pick out a couple here. So now I need to pick a gallery for it to go into. I want to go into the test gallery, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to let everything upload. Still going. And it looks like we're done. So now I can go back to the listing in Great Real Estate. And it is, the test is the title of it. So let's go back into Edit. And I need to select a gallery of photos to go with it. So Manage, let's select the test gallery and click Update. So now when we go to the website, we should see another listing. Oh, maybe not yet. I went too quick. All right, let's Test, Update. Oh, I forgot something. It's for sale. See, all right, made a mistake. Still not there. Oh, I have to check here. Now it'll show up. That's how you learn, by the way, making a few errors, even though I've done this many times. And there's the house. Now, this is a picture of the backyard. I want a picture of the front of the house, so we can actually manage in the gallery what image is going to show first. So we go into the gallery and manage gallery. It's the test gallery. And we're allowed to play with the sort order. So we want to sort in the gallery. Let's make this the first house. Now I'm going to update the sort order. So when I go back to my website, I should see that orange house here. The other cool features I'm going to show you on a listing I already had set up is there's some cool widgets that you can play with on your listings page to add some nice features. Like you can add a video. I've got a video on how to embed a YouTube video in a WordPress website. I'm not going to cover that here, but you can go back and watch that on the website. Here's some information from Truly on the median house value. I tapped into Yelp.com to show what stores and services are around the property, as well as a Google map of where the house is in relation to, other things on, in the area, as well as a mortgage calculator. And those features can be accessed in the listings panel. So let's go back into the listings panel. If you upload all your plugins correctly and put the API keys in, you should see these buttons here. Now you have to make sure that everything's uploaded correctly to get those, but what you can do is, if you want a mortgage calculator, gives you a couple options. I just want the basic mortgage calculator. Let's put that in. And now let's put the Google map on. So let's put 9330 East Janian Drive, Scottsdale, Arizona, 85260. Let's insert that. Let's update it. Now let's view it on the page. And there you can see it put in our mortgage calculator and Google Map. Again, you can put the Yelp feature. It's also got school information and shows the other services. I just would play around with those just to see how those work. You may or may not want everything on here, but that's a rough overview on how to use the Great Real Estate plugin for WordPress. Stay tuned for updates, and I look forward to seeing you again. And thanks again.